Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. Tonight we're going to make our second pizza using our Change More portable wood pellet outdoor pizza oven. If you saw our first pizza, you'll know that we didn't properly manage the heat. We didn't have the flame coming over the top. So tonight our goal is not only have the stone up to temperature, but then also have a robust fire so the flame comes over the top. And I want to thank Benjamin Garcia, if you see this, and Jeannie and others who gave us some tips on how to manage the damper to get the proper flame dynamics. So let's see how this goes. And I think tonight, Lori, you're using a mix of semolina and flour?
Yeah.
Okay. And let me go back to that fire there.
And this is my biga dough. That originally I got from Kitchen and Craft. And the recipe will be in our description box. Also a link to their page. So we're just making our usual.
Oh, go ahead.
We're making a sopressata. That's become our usual, I think.
And what I'm trying to do tonight is, with this camera over here, you should get a view. I'm trying to get that flame to come over the top of the pizza, and right now we have that flame dynamic going. So let me put a few more wood pellets in.
Okay.
Close that. Okay, we got a good fire.
Okay.
I think we're gonna find out. Tonight we're going to be using our turning peel. It took us 6 minutes to cook the last pizza. I'll put a card to that up here. Okay, we're ready to go. Can you move some of that stuff? Here, let me grab it.
Which way you're gonna
Here,
go?
I'll grab it. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, just. We're gonna get a better peel. All right, it's moving. Pizza launched.
Oh,
All right,
see
when we
the
put
flame
this
coming
down,
over
and-
the fire.
Yeah, we got the flame coming over the top. Just like in the ad on the Change More Amazon store.
Looks good.
Yeah, so I think we got good flame dynamics here. We got a lot of smoke. And again, I'm looking for that back to rise. Although we're getting a little rise all the way around.
Uh-oh.
What?
I see a little fire maybe.
No?
Oh, no? Okay.
Well, a little char. But we're no stranger to char.
Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a nice fire
Wow.
coming over the top. This is what I love about having our channel. We get a lot of input from viewers that have done this before. And while they may not have used the Change More outdoor pizza oven, okay. So far,
Wow, that
this
looks
is what we
great,
have.
Bill.
I don't know. Are we done?
I think so. You
You
did
think?
a good job.
You think the crust is done?
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Okay. So clearly we had a much better flame dynamic tonight. we're gonna let this we're gonna let this cool off for a second. We'll probably cut a little piece off. Rather, while it's cooling, you may not see the total time that it took to cool.
It looks great. You did a great job.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, okay, we won't cut it. We'll just kind of talk. So again, Change More, which is a store on Amazon, reached out to us and asked us if we'd be interested in doing a review on their portable wood pellet outdoor pizza oven, and we said we would, as long as it could be unbiased, and they said no, that's great, that's what they wanted. So everything you're seeing here is unbiased. Like our larger oven that's propane fired, you need to learn heat management. No different with the wood-fired, the pellet oven, it seems. So getting those heat dynamics right are important. And looks like we might have accomplished that tonight.
Can we get the...
Yeah. So I think what I want to do is I want to grab a picture here for Instagram.
Yeah, we're also on Instagram and Facebook under 12th Avenue Cuisine.
Yeah, we keep it very simple. Boy, that's a nice looking pizza.
It is.
Okay, so this is exciting because, you know, it's always fun to learn new things. Okay, what do you think?
I think it looks great.
Are we ready to
Yeah, I think we're
transfer?
ready.
Okay.
So we put the pizza on, a hot pizza on a wire rack to prevent steam from building up underneath the crust, and it keeps it crisp.
All right. Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it like that. Oh no, cut one more here. But I'm gonna put that on there.
Okay. Should we
You
take
wanna
it?
go ahead?
Okay.
What do you think?
Well, do you want me to be honest?
Always.
I think it's not as cooked as we like.
So I took it out too soon.
Yeah. A little bit more experimenting.
Mm-hmm. But it's tasty. And I think I could have continued to rotate it without too much harm. I also probably could have opened the damper on the chimney.
And what does that do?
That would take the flame off the top and maybe give it more time on the bottom. I'll be curious when we edit the video how long we had it in there.
It seemed like
It would seem
only
like
a
it was
minute.
fast.
Still has good taste,
No, it's got a good taste. That's the biga dough.
but it just isn't as crisp on the bottom. I could even tell when you cut it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when I looked at the bottom, I kind of had an idea that we could have went a little bit longer. But again,
No, we have to learn.
we have to learn the proper technique for this wood pellet oven, and we will master it. So far so good. The oven does what it's supposed to do. It lets you build a wood flyer. We're using oak pellets. Pretty easy to manage the fire now that our viewers have given us tips on how to do that by controlling the damper on the chimney. And we'll do another pizza here in a week or so. We're going on a camping trip over the 4th of July weekend. This is the Wednesday before the 4th of July. So,
So I have a question.
sure.
So do you think that if we had waited a little bit longer to cook the pizza, the stone would have been hotter?
Well, the stone was, the center of the stone was over 750 degrees.
Oh.
That's really the limitation of our current laser temperature thermometer, whatever. So I think we were pretty good there. And maybe I could have heated the stone for a bit longer, but and maybe I should have delayed a little bit or tried to dampen down the flame coming over the top. But again, that's where we're at. We're on the learning curve with the Change More portable wood pellet outdoor pizza oven. And I don't know about you, but I'm having a fun.
Oh, it's always fun and exciting to try something new, and we're thankful to Change More for sending us and giving us an opportunity.
Yep.
An opportunity to review it.
And now we're gaining that experience on the wood-fired side, where all we had before was the propane-fired side. So I don't know. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up.
And like, share, and subscribe.
Other than that,
See you next time.
see you next time.